Elon Musk just sent shockwaves through every aviation boardroom in America.
Well, I mean, the exciting thing to do would be some sort of electric vertical takeoff and landing, supersonic.
I mean, I've got an entire design for an electric supersonic vertical takeoff jet.
Boeing thought he was dreaming out loud. But while they laughed, Tesla was already flight testing a prototype that could destroy their entire industry. And here's the twist. At just $79,797, Elon Musk may have just made private aviation affordable for every American who's been priced out for decades. Today, you're getting an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the game-changing Tesla electric plane that has traditional manufacturers panicking. But wait, before we dive in, backhand index pointing right, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because what you're about to see will rewrite the rulebook for flight. Now let's take off. How does Tesla design a plane that can land on your backyard lawn? Pause. Forget runways. Your lawn is now your launch pad. This isn't just about convenience. It's about bringing the skies straight to your doorstep. For men who crave freedom, for families who want adventure, this plane makes home your private airport. But here's the question. How can a plane turn your grass into an airstrip? The answer is a breakthrough that sounds like science fiction, but it runs on pure physics. Tesla's advanced EVTOL system deploys 8 high-efficiency tilt-rotor motors. They let you take off and land vertically, needing only a 50 by 50 foot space. That's just 2,500 square feet. And the average American yard is almost 10 times bigger. Your barbecue area is larger than what Tesla needs to land an aircraft. This isn't a dream. It's math. It's engineering. It's Tesla. The motors pivot seamlessly, vertical lift for takeoff, horizontal thrust for cruising. All guided by AI with 98% precision. And get this, advanced sensors scan your yard in real time. They adjust for slopes, trees, even that basketball hoop your grandson left up. Every descent is smooth. Every landing feels effortless. Think about the possibilities. Private estates, remote lake houses, secluded campsites. 90% of US vacation properties suddenly become accessible. And here's the kicker, Tesla thought about your grass too. The aircraft weighs just 1,600 pounds. Ground pressure? 5 pounds per square inch. That's lighter than your lawnmower. So yes, your wife's prize-winning garden is safe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this is a game changer for the masses? Type game changer if Tesla just rewrote the rules of flight. Tesla even designed this with seniors in mind. Automated landing mode. No pilot stress. No complex maneuvers. Right now, the FAA demands 40 hours of training for a pilot's license. But Tesla's AI cuts out the hardest part, takeoff and landing. Afterwards, the wings fold. The entire aircraft fits in a standard garage. Storage as simple as parking your pickup. Now here's where it gets crazy. Range. Tesla's new aluminum-ion battery delivers 1,500 miles on a charge. Enough to go New York to Miami nonstop. Imagine this. You leave your backyard in Connecticut. By lunch, you're sitting at your Florida winter home. No TSA, no delays, no cramped seats. But that's only the beginning. What if range didn't matter anymore? What if your plane could fly from coast to coast without stopping once? Here's the breakthrough. Tesla's wings are covered with ultra-thin, flexible solar panels. 400 square feet of sunlight harvesting surface. They add less than 50 pounds in weight, but they unlock almost limitless flight. These panels come straight from Tesla's solar roof tech. But now, they're weaponized for aviation. And the genius part? Even when the wings fold for storage, the circuitry remains intact. No cracks, no energy loss, 100% efficiency. This isn't a concept sketch. It's already being tested in Tesla's materials lab. So here's the big question for you. Would you ditch airports forever if you could land right at your destination? Drop Tesla did it in the comments if you believe Elon Musk just solved the biggest problem in personal transportation. And stick around, because what comes next in Tesla's aviation project will make today's reveal look small. Make sure you're subscribed, because the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning. Tesla's folding solar wings have already been tested through 10,000 folding and unfolding cycles. That's durability far beyond the plane's projected 20-year service life. A protective nano-coating seals the panels. It prevents wear from constant folding, keeping peak solar performance for decades. Here's what that means in real-world numbers. Sun under sunny skies. The wings generate 25 kilowatts of continuous power, extending your range by 30%. That's an extra 450 miles. Total range, 1,950 miles. Flying from Los Angeles to Denver, then cruising straight to Kansas City. All without touching the ground. Even in cloudy conditions, the system still generates 10 kilowatts, adding 225 extra miles. That's 1,725 miles total. And during night flights, the 100 kilowatt-hours aluminum-ion battery carries the load. It's 30% denser than 2023 battery models, delivering the base 1,500-mile range, more than most traditional aircraft. Here's where Tesla leaves competitors in the dust. These panels feature a self-healing polymer coating. It automatically repairs microcracks from debris or turbulence. Efficiency after 1,000 flights? Still 95%. And unlike bulky retrofits bolted onto other planes, Tesla engineered these solar wings as structural components. They don't just generate power, they improve aerodynamics. This is Tesla's exclusive edge. Battery expertise plus SpaceX-inspired solar innovation. All in one seamless package. No other manufacturer can replicate this. Drop $79,797 in the comments if you caught both the promise and the price. Now let's tackle the danger every pilot fears. Bird strikes. For decades, they've cost aviation billions in damages and caused countless accidents. But Tesla's super electric plane? It sees the birds before they ever become a threat. Here's the twist. Tesla borrowed its biological radar AI system directly from its full self-driving suite. The same tech that protects millions of drivers on highways now scans the skies. A sophisticated network of LiDAR and radar sensors scans a 1-mile radius around your aircraft. Accuracy? 99%. The AI is trained on 10 million plus flight patterns and bird migration datasets from across North America. When danger appears, Tesla's system reacts in milliseconds, adjusting altitude or rerouting instantly. The result? It avoids 95% of strikes before the pilot even knows there's a problem. Compare that to traditional aviation. Their solution: stronger windshields. Tesla's solution: prevent the impact entirely. Here's what makes this genius. It's not complicated. It's senior-friendly. Clear visual alerts appear on the massive 20-inch dashboard display. Simple messages like flock detected, rerouting, large fonts, high-contrast graphics, no perfect eyesight required, no fighter pilot reflexes needed, the safety without stress, and it's automatic. Think about this. How many times has your Tesla braked for a hazard you didn't even see? Now imagine that same intelligence surrounding you at 15,000 feet, constantly scanning, constantly protecting, turning the skies into the safest highway you'll ever travel. Traditional aviation is still saying bird strikes are just part of flying. Elon Musk says, no, they're not. When you realize all of this comes standard, on an aircraft that costs less than a luxury fishing boat, it changes everything you thought about aviation safety. So let me ask you, would you finally feel safe enough to fly your family anywhere, anytime, knowing Tesla eliminated the greatest unknown in aviation? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to mention the exact price, $79,797, to show you're part of this movement. Because this isn't a dream. It's already here. Cleaner, safer, smarter. Elon Musk didn't just pitch an idea. He rewrote the rulebook for the sky. Type "yeah" in the comments if you want our channel to keep pulling back the curtain on the future. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.